Good morning student, this is Shailesh Kumar and today in this video we will come to know the various forms of the sets. Sets can be represented in various forms. Basically the set is a collection of the any kind of object, but we can think this collection in many ways. But here we will discuss only three ways, and these three ways are given name so that we can represent the set as per the given direction. Okay, now these three ways are the first one is description method, and the second one is the roster form, and the third one is the set builder form. Now when we take some example, then we come to know that what is the basic difference in the representation. But you have always remember that we are going to discuss the same thing, but we are discuss the same thing in the various type of statements. Okay, thank you. If I say that we have to make a collection of the numbers starting from 1 and up to 5, then what will be my answer? Then I will make this collection just like this: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the collection of the numbers as per the given direction. Okay, so I have to write is this collection in the form of set. Therefore I will mark the brackets and give it name any capital English alphabet. Now another example is, if it is being directed that we have to write the multiples of 5 up to 40. So what will I write? The first multiple is 5, after that 10, then 15, then 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40. Now this is the required collection as per the given direction. So in order to represent this in the form of set, I will mark the brackets and give it name C. Now these are the representation of set. This type of representation is called the roster form or tabular form. In this form, what you are seeing that you have written all the members of the set, separating them by commas and in the form of set. Clear? So this is called the roster form. As per the direction, we write the actual members, their actual picture in the set and separated them by the commas. That form is called the roster form or the tabular form. So this is the very first form of the set that you should have to remember. Now these are the roster form or the tabular form of the set. Okay, here we have two sets, the set A and the set C. Now we have to think that which direction we have been given to write these sets. Okay, we have to think in the reverse manner. We are going to the description of the set or the directions of the sets to be written. Okay, so I will have to firstly see or observe these elements very carefully. Now if the given set is this, then I have to check the members: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the natural numbers, and natural number, these are the natural number less than 6. Okay, so if I have to descript them, then how will I write this in the form of description form? So the set is A, marking the braces, and I will write their common property. What is the common property? The natural numbers less than 6. The natural numbers less than 6. But it can be think in the other way. So we can also write it like this: first 5 natural numbers. Now you will see what I am doing here. I am just giving the description of the set that is being given in the roster form, and that description is stating the common property of the all elements. Here this line, the natural number less than 6, is stating the properties of all this collection of the set A. And in another way, first 5 natural number, this description is also stating the property of all the members of the set A. So this rule is called the description method of representation of set, and this is called the roster form or the tabular form of the set. Now we have this example also, 5, 10, 15 and up to 40. Now how we will write this set C in the description form? So I will observe the all members of this set, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 30, 35 and 40. So I can write in a statement just like this, firstly marking the symbol of set. Now I will write that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First 8 multiple of 5. Okay. Now in this way we can represent the set in the description form. So here I have given you two examples, the set form, those are roster form and description form. Okay. For more concept clarity, we take another example. This is very common example that if the directions are, you have to write the vowels of the English alphabet. So how will you make the set of these? So the first is A, E, I, O, U. Okay, which is this form? This is the roster form. Now how will I write this in description form? So vowels in English alphabet. So in this way we come to know that how a set can be represented in the two forms. The first one is roster form and the second one is description form.